morning everyone. It is Saturday morning. It is 10:55 a.m. I have been to the gym. I had a shower, washed my hair. I'm like kind of semi-ready for the day. I'm not leaving the house today until later tonight. I'm going out for dinner and drinks with Katie and that's the plan for tonight, but I do have quite a bit to get done today. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make my bed and then I'm also going to make breakfast because I am getting really hungry and I'm craving pesto eggs. It's been like my recent obsession.
I've been lost for so long, but you make me feel.
Oh! Guys, I got an eggshell.
That I am on something true, something real. You make me believe, you make me feel again. Left behind back at the station. Suddenly there's no one else but me around.
Alright, so this is my pesto egg situation, but oh my god, it tastes so good. Literally best combination ever. You have to try it.
Oh, if I could only bring.
Hey everyone, it's been a while. It's like 2:30 now. Okay, so I just whipped up a little salad for my lunch. Wait, let me turn this around. It's so good. So I have like a little bit of pasta from last night, and then lettuce, tomato, feta, and for my dressing I squeezed lemon juice and pesto. Like I mixed it together first and then I put it in the salad, and oh my god, it is so good. So good. And I'm just reading my case. There's so much to read, but that is the situation. I'm almost like, should I just scrap this whole vlog? Because I don't want to bring my camera out tonight because I'm planning on having a rowdy night. I might get like phone footage, but it's not gonna be amazing. So I'm considering like just deleting everything. But I'm also like, you're vlogging now, you may as well like finish, you know. So I just poured myself a pink strawberry gin. Yum. I just finished my makeup. I did a little bit more than I usually do. I'm not 100% sure about how I feel about it, but it's on my face now and I don't really have time to redo my makeup, so. Alright, so I'm here to do an unboxing. Pretty much I placed this order. I'm so excited about talking about these bags. I placed this order maybe like a week and a half ago and they have arrived from JW PEI. I'm sure you've all heard of this brand before. They've been like Instagram, all over Instagram. So they are a vegan leather brand. They come in a little duster bag like this. So cute. This is the, can't remember the name of it. I will leave it linked down below in case anyone is interested in these bags. It might even say here. No. Okay, but I'm sure you've seen this bag everywhere. Are you kidding me? Okay, so this one is in the shade Ivory. I don't even know where to begin when I talk about these. Like, these seem like such good quality. Like, they are so sturdy. This is what the inside looks like. Like, you can definitely fit, for reference, my phone. That fits in easy. Could fit in like little perfume, keys, like cards, money, a little bit of makeup. I think it's perfect size. It's got a very like comfy handle, so when you're holding it, it's not going to be painful to hold. I don't know what else to say. Like, I'm just gonna like just look at them and they speak for themselves. This is the orange one. Can we just take a second? But there's like a little JW PEI monogram right there. I'm wearing it tonight with an all black outfit and I'm really excited. So these are the two new bags that I've gotten. I'm like recently becoming obsessed with bags again. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you. It's 6:50 now. I'm gonna finish getting ready. I just need to get dressed and I want to take some cute photos. And then I'll probably head. I also need to do my hair. I want to do it like this, but in a bun. Alright, so I'm about to leave mine, but this is the fit for tonight. I'm wearing this is actually my dad's black suit blazer, orange JW PEI bag. Such a vibe. I'm literally obsessed with it. Like I actually cannot cope. Oh, I also have to finish that. I might actually put some hairspray in. But like also stressed because I don't love the feeling of hairspray. Kind of looks better, like it looks more slick and like less fuzzies. My Christian Dior lip plumper. If you guys don't have this, you need it. It's a lip plumper. I got mine in the shade. I could not tell you. It's so good, I swear it works. I'm feeling a little bit tipsy right now. I'm going to pack my bag, probably leave. Ugh, that was way too fizzy. Speak to you guys at Katie's house. Hello, bitch. I just got to Katie's house. We're trying to help her pick an outfit, so you guys can help us pick an outfit. Guys, do you want to see what we're working with? So, these are the options. I've got so many. They are hot. Oh, you're still going. That's so good. I really like that. How do you feel about it? So next on the agenda, we are about to make both of us a cocktail. So I'm gonna make a mango gin situation, like a daiquiri type of situation. And then Katie is gonna make, what are you gonna make? I don't know.
I'm on a holiday drink.
That's the situation.
I need the alcohol.
smells good.
Really strong.
That's the thing. I'm gonna finish this first. So alright, so we are all ready to go. We're just chilling, drinking our cocktails, taking some cute Insta stories.
This one.
Oh no.
Hi guys. Guys, why do we look so cute?
Black on black on black on black.
Should we get a thumbnail? Alright, so we are about to leave Din's. I'm gonna leave the camera here, but I will still continue vlogging through my phone. Sorry in advance about the quality, but that is the vibe. I'm feeling a little bit lit.
Fucking, I swear.
Guys, look at how cute this bag is. This is Katie's and it's from Shein. So cute. This would look really good in my outfit. Love. It's like a brown as well.
Alright, Mum, let's go. Sorry, guys. Yes. Mother's taking off. Shit's fucked. She, as in this one.
In the bag they go.
Alright, let's go.